We got some really good finds today at Burlington, so let's go in and see. So as soon as we walked in, I saw this jacket. My daughter has been looking, so she has like another set like this, the little Ed Hardy set. So it's like a crop jacket, and then you get the pants. You buy it separately. These jackets go from 55 to you can get them on sale for like $40. This was $20. So this one was a size small. She was able to find a size extra small. She wasn't able to find the matching pants though, but I'm assuming if they have the jackets, they have the pants. So definitely check out Burlington, see if you can find some Ed Hardy sets. She also has a pair of shorts that will go with those that we did get at TJ Maxx, I think. But they did have some Halloween items out at Burlington today, so they're starting to put them out bit by bit at my Burlington. They're not like fully stocked. This Burlington really doesn't. A lot of the Burlingtons in my area, they don't have really stock shows, but you will be able to find like some good things. Like during the 25-cent sale, we found so many good things. But they had some Halloween blankets out, some Hello Kitty blankets out, like a lot of cute little options and stuff. They had like pet ones, just fun ones for the season, and then like in the traditional colors. But then they had like some pink options. They had like a lot of cute things, and then like other characters and different stuff that they always carry. They had this Hello Kitty Halloween blanket, which I thought was cute, and the prices are not bad at Burlington. Burlington, I think, carries cheaper blankets and different things than other stores like Marshalls and TJ Maxx and stuff. A lot of those like little back pillows, like the little pillows you put on your bed. My daughter is trying to do her room. She loves like just couture stuff. She gets like the throw blankets and stuff like that, but she wants to do her bathroom in Hello Kitty, and then her bedroom like more of a juicy couture theme. So I'm like looking for stuff. They had some Halloween mats. One I missed, I'll show it later, but they had a few Halloween mats in at Burlington when I went. A lot of cute throw pillows. They had this Hello Kitty one, they had some Disney ones, and just like regular price, like $20. Some a bit more than that, but just the regular price that they have their throw pillows at. They had the Barbie one. They had a few cute Hello Kitty finds. This one was another cute one, and like I said, they had some Disney ones in that you can grab, and like the colors are really nice and pretty on those too. You see, they had that one there, and then they had like the other ones, just like the face ones that you can find like all around. These Disney ones I thought were so cute. So they're just like the Hello Kitty one, but only $18 for that. So they had Minnie and then they had Mickey. I think this would be so cute, like on your bed on a throw, like a chair or something. That's just like a throw pillow, something cute. And they also had like the sheets, so you can do the sheets and go along with it. These like kitchen items, they had a lot of cute character kitchen items. These ice cubes, I thought about getting them for her. Like I said, she loves Hello Kitty, and then just some cute Hello Kitty shaped ice cubes I think would be super cute. They always have like good ice cube trays and stuff at Burlington. During the 25-cent sale, I was able to get some for 25 cents too. They had a lot of cute cookie things, like bacon things. They had like clips, like for bag clips and stuff like that for chips and stuff. They had those, and a few items were on clearance at Burlington. These right here, okay, I remember when Dollar Tree had all of the Disney stuff, and then they had the Disney lint rollers, but they was just regular sheets, and then they didn't have like a print on the thing. Because the packaging is different on each one of these, I'm wondering if these have a print on it, unlike the Disney ones. Because the Dollar Tree ones, the Dollar Tree ones just had like the Disney thing on the handle. That was like the whole branding of it. This right here I thought was cute. So if you like gold, like a little pop of gold, those little bowls, and then these cups, and you can see like they have like a reflection on them. I thought that was cute if you like gold. Of course, a bunch of character finds at Burlington. So they had cups and stuff like they always have. They had like trays, bowls, like that'd be a cute little Disney serving tray, and only $5 for that. I thought that was super cute, but just a lot of cute ones. The salt and pepper shakers, everybody has out some cute salt and pepper shakers right now. So a lot of cute kitchen things that you can grab, and you can get like some Halloween ones, like some cute Halloween salt and pepper shakers now, or the regular character ones. A lot of things that they always have in stock lately, like the noodle bowls, different things like that. But you see, they had the Jack Skeleton, and then they had the Stitch one. So it's the Stitch and the pineapple, super cute. And you see, like on the picture, it's like hugging, so that's like super cute. They always have these little Hello Kitty ones at my Burlington. These containers, they've had them for a while at this Burlington. So a lot of cute things that you can grab for the season. A lot of cute Hello Kitty finds, a lot of Stitch finds, a lot of character finds. This little tumbler I thought was cute, but the straw was like chewed up. So they should definitely be on clearance, and they should definitely take that straw out of there. Like I said, cute blankets. You can always get like a cute Juicy Couture, a cute Hello Kitty, just a cute solid blanket, cute seasonal blankets at Burlington. Just a bunch of cute blankets at Burlington always, but they have some nice ones to pick. They had this one. It's not picking it up, but it was like a nice, pretty light lavender color, and it was a Juicy Couture one. I thought that one was cute. The character thing. So I've been seeing a whole lot more Care Bear type items. Care Bear and Strawberry Shortcake. I've been seeing a lot more of those. And when I was young, we used to watch the Care Bears. So it's just cute. I think these are for kids though. They're not like, but you can throw that on your bed. And nobody would mind. A lot of cute Halloween sheet sets. So Betsy Johnson. I've been seeing a lot more Betsy Johnson too at Burlington. So, and she has cute pieces. I used to love like her costume jewelry, the accessories and stuff like that. But she had some cute Halloween sheet sets out, and like a pretty color pink. And there goes like that Mickey sheet set there at Burlington. And these, they have like full twin. You can get like different sizes. I was just showing for the Juicy Couture. I wish they had more stuff in the light pink, because I feel like that's more of the vibe she wants to go for, and then she could put that light pink like in her bathroom with the Hello Kitty stuff, and it would go together more. But like the darker pink is growing on her, but she really likes the lighter pink color pieces. So it's like sometimes it's hard to find like the piece that she wants in the lighter pink. But the Halloween stuff I thought was cute, like for your bathroom. So if you want to do like Halloween things for your bathroom, they have some cute Snoopy ones at Burlington. They have just like some regular Halloween pieces too that you can do for your bathroom. But I love a good Snoopy piece. I love the pink ones, even though like some people, it's a debate like whether you should do pink for Halloween or not. But I think that set is so cute. So it's like a tumbler and then like the dispenser. So I thought those were cute to grab. These shower curtains. Okay, so I was debating because the picture kind of looks the same on the display thing, but the way it's folded, it looked like they were different prints. So I'm not sure if it's the same print or if it's different prints. It looks like two different things to me, because it's like it'd be hard to hide that big old pumpkin. This I was looking at because I wanted to do something on like the top patio for the dogs, so they didn't have to go like all the way down, but that is so small. And then probably it'd be a hassle to be cleaning that out too. But I'm trying to figure out maybe something for them. So the luggage, again, I'm looking for a new luggage too. These are kind of too big. I'm really looking for like for my daughter for like a carry-on piece. And then again, that's in that like darker pink. But I think the details, like the print on it is super nice. And maybe she would like it. I don't know. But I'm really looking for like a carry-on size. They have like a lot of bigger pieces here at Burlington. They had carry-on sizes for other pieces, but she likes pink things, so they didn't really have too many pink things for her. This another cute Hello Kitty blanket they had in, and then we were looking like in the junior department to see if they had the pants for the jacket. This I thought was cute. It's just the shorts are just a bit too short for me. Like my daughter told me earlier, but because I'm not young, I don't know, but just a bit too short for me. But the set looked cute. Just if the shorts had a little more short on them, then maybe I would grab something like that. It's only $17, and you get two pieces for that. They had a lot of like cute little print sweatpants in. But like I said, we couldn't find the Ed Hardy sweatpants that we were looking for. They had these, so if your kids are like into like that girly kind of look and the little bows on the side, like the classic like track style pants with the stripe, but then the bows I thought made that just a little bit cuter. These pajama pants I thought were cute too. She had just got a bunch of Snoopy stuff for her friend for her birthday. And These pajama pants would have been cute too. She grabbed her baby pajama pants from Hobby Lobby, but I think those would have been a cute option too. They look comfy too. And then I was just reminiscing back into my youth. We used to love us some Guess pieces, and I just thought that was cute. $40 for that, especially with the little chain and the little Guess thing. They had some True Religion pieces. These little stretchy pants, they had those there, and then they had some like classic style True Religion pants that you can grab, like with the little flat pocket. Those look more traditional, like the regular ones that you would get, and those were only $30. And the cream is nice because I wear cream all year, and I feel like I bought like 3 pair of cream pants in the last like month or so. And then the bags, I'm thinking maybe these would be cute for back to school. Like grab some backpacks. They had like other backpacks in the other area, but they had like some cute little backpacks here, and that gave me like a little vintage vibe too. That little purse there. They had, but like I said, a lot of cute little backpacks for the kids. So they had like just solid color ones. They had print ones. They had name brand ones. Like I said, they had more on the other side, like in the men's department. But yeah, definitely if you're trying to get like a jump on the season, check out Burlington and see what they have for backpacks, because they have like some really cute options, and they look sturdy. Like they look sturdy. Like you can put like all those thick old textbooks in them and stuff like that. I always check them out, like their brand. Just because I like the prints and stuff. They have like a store out here in the outlet mall, but you can get a good deal too at like Burlington and stuff. And then like the print is just like so fun. So they always have like some of those in at Burlington. This DKNY bag I thought was cute because it gives that like little graffiti print. They had a few different DKNY options. This True Religion bag, it gave very bit vintage, what is it, like that Y2K look, whatever and stuff. I thought that was cute. And then you could fit a little bit of things in there because it does like expand just a little bit on that one. But I thought that one was super cute. You know what it gives me? Remember that show with Paris Hilton and Nikki, and I think they brought the show back out too. That's what it gave me. It gave me like around that time. And then they have like the dupe style purses there, another DKNY bag. Just a nice bag, like an everyday bag that you can wear. Like the DKNY bags to me are like nice and simple, something that you can just toss and go, and maybe get like those, because those are the open ones. Get those like purse organizers and put that together. This is the other mat that I said that we skipped, but I went back around and I saw it. I thought it was so cute. And then these tops I thought were cute, just something simple. See, a nice stripe piece, I feel like I look on like line on like certain like designer department stores and stuff like that, and they have like a lot of nice like sweaters that look like that, but they'll be like a couple of $100s. You can grab you one at Burlington and save you a bunch of money. These little cute Halloween pieces they had in at Burlington, I thought they were both so cute. And then you can see like they'll light up. So the lights will come through the little back cutouts and stuff like that. I thought that was cute. This one right here, no light on this one, but just still cute. And you can like pair these together, make like a whole cute little setup with these if you wanted to. They had like a lot of Halloween pieces like spread out, so they weren't all together because like I said, they are loading up on that. But this was the Hear No Evil, See No Evil, Speak No Evil, and then those had a light in it too. And then a lot of the little like snow globe like ones, they had a lot of different ones too. So they had ghosts, they had the dog, they had like all the like the classic stuff that you'll like normally see. But I think those are really cute, and just another cute decor piece that you can put up and like mix it in with your regular decor and make it real cute. And they had pink options, they had traditional color options, they had all the options. And then these are another cute they seem to have these a lot, not always, but they seem to have these a lot at Burlington, TJ Maxx and all that. I could usually find them, but $20 for these right here. They had a Stitch one too. They had some other cute options too. They had the Peanuts one, and then these are like the regular shape clocks and stuff like that. But a lot of cute clock options, wall art, different things. The colors in this is so pretty, and this is 5 pieces, so you can separate these. You can push them all together like that, or you can spread it out. A lot of cute little Hello Kitty art they had there. Just a lot of cute options. This one right here, another one that's a set. So it's four different pieces. You can spread it out, put it together like that, and then they'll have that fun like wall art and stuff at Burlington. All the different stores. You can get like the sneakers. You can get like I like the little animal ones. I don't know, like they have like a lot of little animal ones that I guess they create, and like they'll be doing different things. I think those are cute to grab. This one right here, doesn't that look nice? And doesn't it look like it's like really painted? Like it doesn't look printed. It looks like somebody like really painted that. I think that's cute. See the little raccoon on the toilet? I think those are so stinking cute. So if you like fun art, you can get some fun art at Burlington. Like I said, Burlington, TJ Maxx, all of those. This nice and simple. I kind of wish it was like a little more matte. It kind of had like a metal feel to it. I kind of wish it was like more like a canvas feel, but I thought that one was nice, and it's two panels, so you can separate those. They have a lot of big, I don't know, like a big black piece of art. It's cute. Or like a neutral. I love a neutral one too, like a beige and stuff like that. But this was $30, and that was like humongous for that.